Welcome to Jerry Tales. Deep inside a bright green jungle, where parrots sang and waterfalls sparkled, lived a clever but naughty monkey named Momo. Momo believed he was smarter than everyone else. One morning, he jumped onto the tallest tree branch and shouted, "I have decided I should be the king of the jungle." The animals stared in surprise. The lion calmly asked, "And why is that?" Momo proudly replied, "Because I'm fast, funny, and the smartest of all." The animals laughed, but the lion agreed to a challenge. "3 competitions," he said. "The winner becomes king." First challenge, strength. The elephant lifted a huge log. The bear pushed a giant rock. Momo tried lifting a coconut. He pulled, he struggled, but it didn't move. Quickly he picked up a leaf and said, "See, strong." The animals burst into laughter. Second challenge, speed. The cheetah ran like lightning. The deer dashed like the wind. Momo ran too, but halfway through he stopped. Bananas! He sat down and started eating. The race ended without him. Third challenge, wisdom. The wise old turtle asked, "What makes a true king?" Momo answered proudly, "A crown, a throne, and everyone clapping for me." The turtle shook his head. "A true king protects others, listens carefully, and thinks before acting." Momo grew quiet. He had never thought about that. Suddenly, thunder roared. Dark clouds filled the sky. A strong storm hit the jungle. Small animals panicked. The lion stood tall and commanded, "Everyone to the cave, stay together." The elephant carried the babies. The birds guided from above. Even the crocodile helped clear the path. But Momo froze. He didn't know what to do. The lion gently pulled him and said, "Being king is not about showing off, it's about helping." When the storm passed, the jungle was safe. Momo looked down in shame. He said softly, "I'm sorry, I only wanted attention." The lion smiled kindly. "If you want to lead one day, start by serving others." From that day on, Momo stopped bragging. He helped gather food, he warned others about danger, and sometimes he even shared his bananas. Slowly, the animals began to respect him, not because he was loud, but because he cared. Moral: true leadership is about responsibility, not popularity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jerry Tales.